Indian Railways prioritizes coal transportation to meet the projected demand for rakes by the power sector. In the month of February 23, 426.3 rakes per day have been loaded for powerhouses against 399 rakes per day in February 22. Railways adopt proactive approach for coal transportation. Coal transportation by Indian Railways in terms of tonnage and NTKM has increased by 11.92% and 24.51% in this current fiscal, up to Feb. Loading of rakes for power sector from various sources in the current fiscal, April, Feb, is 408 rakes per day against 344 rakes per day in last year, i.e. an increase of 64 rakes per day. In the month of February 2023, 426.3 rakes per day have been loaded for powerhouses against 399 rakes per day in February 22, i.e. increases of 27.3 rakes. In order to meet the projected demand for rakes by the power sector in the coming fiscal, following action has been taken. A higher induction of coal carrying wagons, 7692 box in HL and 1052 BOBRN wagons have been inducted during April 22 to January 23. Around 32534 box in HL and 2450 BOBRN wagons induced pending. B. During the current fiscal, 1018 freight locomotive have been added to the fleet of IR till end of February 23. This increase is expected to continue. C. 4500 kms of new tracks is expected to be commissioned in 2022-23, majority of which is on coal carrying routes. This will further improve turnaround of coal carrying rakes. D. Keeping in view the rising demand in the next few years, a comprehensive planning of the energy corridor has been done with planned investment of 1 lakh crores ranging over around 100 projects.